Hi beautiful people, this is your girl Zama. I'm back again with another video. In today's video I'm going to do the simplest and easiest hairstyle ever. I'm telling you, cause this one don't even take much of your time. It's very easy to do, and guess what guys, I didn't even use any styling gel. I just tied up my hair, then put my extensions, then that was it. So it won't even take your time. When you're in a hurry, that's the best that you can do. So what I did in this video, I didn't even apply any styling gel guys, cause as you can see, my hair is falling off guys. I don't know what's happening with this hair, cause before I did it blow out, so it seems like my relaxed hair is now coming off, and then the remaining one, the one that you are seeing here, is my natural hair. What I can say is I'm starting afresh, so I'm not planning on cutting my hair. I'll just be doing my hair the way it is, and then which means I'm stuck with natural hair. I'm no longer blowing my hair again. I'm stuck with natural hair, cause I'm very disappointed guys. Very disappointed. Guys, don't mind my voice. I've got flu, ne? Yeah, your girl is sick. I have flu, so my voice is kind of so what I did here, ne, I just sectioned my hair into 3, and then at the front I used my curly hairpiece. I didn't put much cause I didn't want my curly ponytails to be much. And then at the back I did use my ponytail. Remember, there's another video that I posted sure a month ago, showing you guys how to do your own ponytail at home. So I'm going to stick it here by the corner so that you can see it. If you haven't watched it, then you will go and watch it, so that you know how to do your own ponytail. So that's the one that I used at the back. At the front I just used my hairpiece. You see guys, just continue watching my video, you see what I'm talking about. So guys, to all my new subscribers, if it is your first time to see me, to see this beautiful girl, welcome to the family, welcome to my channel. Feel free. I hope you stay, I hope you like and enjoy my video. So if you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe and support your girl. I will really appreciate. And for all those my day one, the ones who have been watching my videos since day one, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me for showing me some love and your support. May you continue watching my videos, yeah guys. Don't get tired. Don't get tired guys. Yeah, so as you can see here, I was done sectioning my hair into 3, as I said. And what else I can say is, if you don't feel like doing what I did, cause I didn't apply any styling gel, I mentioned it before, but if you want something that will last you, I prefer you apply your styling gel, any styling gel of your choice, so that your hairstyle will last you long. Ne? I just wanted something so quick, something temporary. That's why I didn't apply styling gel, and I didn't have time to dry that styling gel. I did not have time on my side. That's why I decided to just do it fast. But if you want something that will last you, please do use any type of styling gel that you have in your house, so that it will last you. So as you can see here, I didn't use much of the hairpiece. I just used hairpiece so that my pondo won't look that big, because I want to fold it and look like a Barbie girl. So yeah, let me not talk guys, let me just leave you and enjoy the video. Yeah, I hope guys you enjoy this video. I hope you stay. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just press the subscription button guys. I will really appreciate. It's not easy, guys. It's not that difficult. It's easy and it's free. Just to press the subscription button, I'll be happy. Ne? So yeah, let me just leave you and enjoy the video. Yeah, that's the ponytail that I was telling you guys about. You see, yeah, I did this ponytail from scratch. So if you're interested, just go and watch the video. I'll put it by the corner so that if you're interested, you go and watch and see. That's the one that I used at the back. Yes, guys, ne? That's my first look, guys. I'm done with the first look. Please, how do you rate it? What do you say? What do you think about this look? If you are satisfied with this look, you can stay like this, but if you want to change, you can change it. Just stay tuned and see my second look again. Option B, that's my second look, guys. What do you say? How do you rate this hairstyle? It's easy, it's nice, and you can play around with your hair. I like it so much, guys. I'm in love with this style. So in love. It's easy. I like it. What do you say in the comment section, guys? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. I really appreciate